Hello, in this video we will be looking at the file integrity monitoring capability within the Snare Enterprise Agent for Windows. Um, in a previous video, we looked at the file access monitoring, which is a little bit different. That has to do with monitoring who it was that accessed a file at what time and through what type of application it was that they were looking at that file. In the file integrity monitoring space, we're actually looking to see if a file has been modified or deleted or something along those lines. So in this case, we'll take a look here at our file integrity monitoring configuration. I've set up a specific file directory, test file, and I'm just looking for a format of star.txt. So any files with a .txt extension within that, and as you can see, I'll show you the configuration here. I've set this up to basically with the cron monitoring format to look for every minute essentially with this. Um, so this is currently running, and if we look at our latest events under the file integrity, we'll just see a single event here because when the file integrity monitoring looks at the file the first time, it shows it as if there was a new file created, even though this file was created prior to me uh, setting the monitoring up to look for this location. So this is just our baseline. So let's go ahead and take a look at that file itself. Let's try to open that and make an edit here. So this is our original content. I'm going to go ahead and add a new line. So this is modifying the file that we're trying to check the integrity of. So we might not want someone actually coming in here and making additions or making changes to this file, but let's go ahead and so that's why we've set it up for monitoring. I've saved the file out and closed it. So now we will see when this triggers, and I'll show you back here in the file integrity monitoring list, we've got a status here and when the last scan took place. So this does look like it just took place. I don't know if it caught it. So the next one will occur in approximately 1 minute. So we'll just go back over here, take a look, and it doesn't look like it's triggered yet. So we'll hold off for a second or two and wait for this to trigger again. Okay, looks like our time has changed here on our scan. So we should now be able to go over and look in the file integrity monitoring and see a file change. And we can. We can see that we have a change to the file that 40 bytes were added to the file. The same sort of thing would be seen if we were to go back into the file and remove some text from it. So let's say that we wanted to remove that whole line and then maybe even part of the previous content. So let's go ahead and save that and look at the change that will happen there. And as you can see here, we now see a change to the file with where 54 bytes were removed. So what happens if we delete this file? Let's go ahead and delete the file. And And as you can see here, it does detect that the file was now deleted. So you can use this monitoring, this level of monitoring to monitor a sensitive file where you want to know if any actual changes were made and or if the file was deleted or modified in any way. So this, like I say, this doesn't give you the exact listing of who it was that accessed it. That has to do with the file access monitoring, but these two things can be used in conjunction in something like Snare Server or Snare Analytics or Snare advanced threat intelligence sort of thing to be able to detect these sort of behaviors on a particular file. So hopefully this video was helpful, and we'll see you in the next video.